Alright, so before we set up our Actio Pro C+, let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. You have the elastic helmet mount. This strap is going to be optional, but we'll talk about that more in the helmet setup instructional video. This right here is your dual speaker headset with waterproof mic. This is your T-cable. Radio labeling stickers. Here's your USB on-the-go charging cable for when you're, well, on the go. Some surface cleaners. These will come in handy later. 3M adhesive. This is your USB charging and data cable. Now, for this installation tutorial, we'll be using a Petzl Vertix helmet with some standard earmuffs. Just note, helmet and earmuffs are not included in this unit. And here's what you came for. The Actio Pro C+ radios. On each unit, you have the power button, the volume up button, the volume down button, the A button, and the B button. Next, we're going to learn how to pair these units together so you can start working safe and speaking easy.